Well, hey everybody, take a look at the painted wood floor. It's so pretty. And I'm almost done. And I love the way it looks. It's really, really nice. Everybody thought it would be horrible. Why are you painting the floor yellow? But no, it looks really, really, really good. I could have done a little better job with the stencil. And kind of lined it up a little bit more. And you can see I got a little bit more to finish, but I freaking love it. I got this really huge stencil online. It's really big and really heavy duty plastic. Oh my goodness, now it's stuck to the paper, but that's okay. But takes a lot of work, takes a lot of time, and it's probably taken me 2 coats of the yellow paint. Should have really done 3, and then letting it dry over a couple of days. They say you let it dry like 2 or 3 days so it will cure. That means it'll seal really well. And then I just, over the course of about 3 days, been painting the stencils on section by section. It would have been better if I had taken all the furniture out of the room, but I didn't, so I had to work around the furniture. Almost done. Almost done. Yay! Yellow floor.